An investigation has now been launched into potential missing absentee ballot applications during the 2018 election cycle right here in the state of Georgia. Secretary of State Brad Raffensperger opened up this investigation in response to accusations by Democrats who claimed at least 4,700 absentee ballots were misplaced, which prevented voters from getting the ballot request. Raffensperger says that he's committed to examining all the evidence linked to the allegations.